Namaskar. Let's explore a Tarana. A Tarana is a musical item, a lyrical musical item that is normally performed towards the end of the repertoire. The reason being the speed. Normally, the speed at which a Tarana is performed is higher than what we have other items based on. Also, we need to bear in mind that Tarana is a musical vocal item that has words or syllables like tanum, tanom, yala yala, om tanom, tana derena, these kind of bowls that are abstract and do not have a meaning. This is why it is actually placed in the segment of a nritta of the performance. So here comes the ad-lib part. Ad-lib is when there is no rhythm, just freelance of singing. So just sit on the sum, look ahead, and then slowly get up and take the posture of the thought. So now the sum here is Tana nadir is the khali, Tana nadir dir dani tadani tanum, tanana tanum, tanan tana dere na na, tana nadir dir dani tadani tanum. So tanum is the sum of the teen tal and here in this Tarana. So after the ad-lib happens, get up, take the thought position, Tana nadir dir dani tadani tanum, tanana tanum, tanana. So all you're doing is move back, look diagonally back, go up on your toes and bend forward, looking diagonally down, and then again, tanum, tanana, tanum, tanana, tana, dere, na, na, na.
Tanum, tanana, tanum, tanana, tana, dere, na, tanana, dere, dani, tadani, tanum, tanana, tanum, tanana, tana, dere, na, tanana, dere, dani, tadani, tanum, tanana, tanum, tanana, tana,